Hello viewers and good day. My name is Dr. Reed and I am an expert in galisology. That is the science of getting enough gal. And I have been called in today to evaluate my patient, Mr. Yaadman Etan, who seems to be suffering from severe cases of gal madness, panty puppetitis, and gal clownism. The source of his delusion seems to be dancehall superstar Shenseea. Now follow me as I conduct my research and enter the mind of Yaadman Etan.
Oh, you mean you don't subscribe yet? Oh, you mean you don't turn on the notification bell? Oh, you mean you don't like, share and comment? Oh, you mean you don't tell a friend them about Yaadman Etan? Yo, me don't understand how me there, you know, yo, them people that think that me have madman. They don't know the truth.
I apologize for my tardiness. Oh, yo. Yes, hello, Mr. Yaadman. My name is Dr. Reed.
Yo, man, a Bugs Bunny, you know, but what's up, doc?
So, Mr. Yaadman, do you know why you're here today?
No, you know, we never come here for chat to no man.
Relax, Mr. Yaadman. I am here today because I would like to discuss your condition.
Doc, you don't have sense. Man, I dread when I used conditioner.
No, not conditioner. I meant I would like to discuss your Shenseea addiction.
Oh, yeah, man. More addicted Shenseea, yes?
Bruh.
Mr. Yaadman, hear me out. You are not well. You are quite sick, sir. You suffer from gal madness. You suffer from panty puppetitis. You suffer from gal clownism. And I believe you suffer from a major case of Shenseeitis. People believe you are absolutely crazy, believing that you are dating Shenseea.
Yo, Doc, hear me I say no, me no mad. But my mad over my girl. Sorry, Monga, I have failed you. Tell the people them for mind them funky business. Me and Shenseea there. We stuck together like two dogs in a heat.
What?
Okay. Where is she then?
She there with me, and she dropped me off. Yo, babes, come here.
What is going on here? Sir, Mr. Yaadman, this is not Shenseea. This is Photoshop.
Dr. Reed, how if you said this is Photoshop and it's a video this?
Okay, well, let's see if she talks. Hi, I am Dr. Reed, and you are?
Shenseea.
Tell her she did real.
Okay, well, So tell me, how did you both meet?
How did meet? Well, you know, say a long time with the love of Shenseea, you know, and you know, say Shenseea ignore enough I DM them. So I decide for just, you know, me don't want to get her attention. So I decide for just move right into our comment section. But Instagram, you see me I said? Look here now, boom! I comment some carelessness, you see me I said? Yo, like, remember one time when I go on Shenseea page and I tell her, say, I live in our belly like our son did live in our belly for 9 months. The other day, babes did post up one thing about if I post no caption, does that make it a caption? I made a comment in there. If I say, I want to live in your belly, does that make you a house? You know, say, the boy there Russian to give me one big piece of watch, you know. I'm going to decide to use my words, I'm in love to get her attention. So I tell her, say, babes, we don't need no watch on me, I watch you because when me I watch you, I stand still. And that's how I got Shensea's attention. And I'm gonna take it one step further, you know what I'm saying? We did take one picture with Bay. That one, yeah. And you know what I'm saying? She gonna post it on her story them time that me know that Shenseea did rate me. You see me? She don't want to come look for me. And that's how Shenseea and I became a thing.
Do you love her?
Of course. I love you, baby. do you have love for me?
Unconditional love I got for you. This the love I got for you.
How often do you see each other? Me not get to see me often, you know, because you're always busy at tour and all them thing there, you know. When will you see her again? Oh, but yeah, man, me I go see me at Atlanta Carnival, like you mean, man.
Atlanta Carnival, tell me more about this.
They say Atlanta Carnival May 25th at Atlanta Sports City. Oh, yo, man. The place I got shelled down. Yo, I say now, we got performances by Star Martin, Red Rum, Rudy, Tony Mix, Ronnie Hammer, International Stephen, Hyper Sounds, and Bass DJ Scrappy. We also got Teddyson John, Lyrical, the girl them thief him heart like a criminal, Little Natty and Thunder again. It don't know say his visit back to Atlanta more than overdue because we don't know say we got Earth on Alves, Soca Monarch 2019, King Mr. Killer, Anila, Blackman, and of course Babe. Shenseea got did it.
So what do you plan on doing at Atlanta Carnival since you and Shenseea will be there?
Wait, say, what I'm planning on doing at Atlanta Carnival? Well, I don't know, say, Mr. Killer got did it, say, he don't know, say, when I start to, when I need to pick up something.
Jesus Christ. This man is absolutely crazy.
Hey, me I say no man, me an artist in but me the build one little remix for bass, so I hope and I like it. No boy can see me and cause problem. Them a girl clown so me walk on them. Me no love job but me I want them tell them this a real Yaadman anthem. No boy can see me and start problem. Them a girl clown so me walk on them. Me no love job but me I want them tell them this a real Yaadman anthem. Now fight the boy over no girl me no idiot. When me take Shenseea me I breathe that. Them a fi see me in a street and pass and whisper to friend if I him that. If a boy touch me nah say me nah beat that. But when me take Shenseea, me I breathe that. Them have to see me in a street and pass and whisper to friend if I him that. Me big but I'm brave, so me beat my chest. The boy can't see me and try take set. The dog with a 6, so me bring him to the vet. Yaadman stamp white in a chest. When me step, me no frighten over girl, me no care if she cute. Some boy head full of ear like a parachute. When me and Shen part, everybody say we cute. Him turn a navigator and take another route. Nah fight no boy over no girl, me no idiot. When me take Shenseea, me I breathe that. Oh, me I say no man, me